Building a lead list used to be a headache. Manual searches, endless criteria, and thousands of industries to sift through. But what if there was a better way? Say goodbye to rigid search criteria and hello to fluid, conversational list building. Introducing Relevate AI, the revolutionary list creation tool that's changing the game in lead generation. Imagine simply telling an AI what you're looking for.
I need HR executives at manufacturing companies doing $50 million in revenue within 100 miles of Dallas.
And watching it do all the work for you. Relevate AI thinks like a human, asking smart questions to refine your search. Which Dallas? No problem, it's got you covered. But that's not all. Preview your leads, check their LinkedIn profiles, and rest easy knowing every email has gone through a detailed verification process. And when you download, you get it all, complete lead info plus an email verification score, so you know exactly what you're working with and who has the highest likelihood of email success. Ready to revolutionize your lead generation? Try Relevate AI today and get 50 free leads just for giving it a spin. Relevate AI, because finding leads should be a conversation, not a chore.